Hi guys, welcome back. I put together a quick video on cleaning makeup brushes. If you guys like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Hi guys, we're going to start with a makeup brush cleaner, and this is by Basic Beauty. You just open it and that's what it looks like. This little groove is so that you can put your fingers in there and really get a good grip on the brush cleaning. And we're also going to be using this soap. This is probably $1 or $2 at your grocery store or at the dollar store, and it's perfect for cleaning brushes. So now that we have our supplies to clean all these brushes and also these. So yes, we're gonna do that. Let's go ahead and get started, and thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and open our soap. Pink bar, like this. All right guys, I turned the camera over so you can see what I'm doing. And I did put the cleaner on my fingers like this. And I have the soap right here in the sink. First thing you wanna do is dampen the brush. You see how it's already coming off? Wow. And then turn the water on, dampen your cleaner, and start to rub off the makeup like so. And rinse the brush. Turn off your water. There you have a clean, beautiful brush. And just lay it out to dry on a towel of your choice. And start to do that one by one. And let's keep going. Just line it up and ready to dry, and we'll keep going. Alright guys, the last thing I do, rinse off the brush cleaner, rinse off the soap. Okay guys, that's it for cleaning brushes today. And they are just all spread out here to dry. The brush cleaner, you can put it back in its container if you like. I got this one at Ross. I believe it was $2 and it's really cute. And you also want to put your soap back in the bag if you can. If not, go ahead and put it in a Ziploc bag, but leave the opening on top open so that it can ventilate and dry. Once it's dry, you can go ahead and seal it. These two mugs are for holding my brushes. These are for the smaller brushes and these are for the larger brushes. And the ceiling fan's on, so they should dry pretty quickly here. It's about 2:15 in the afternoon. I got started probably about 1:30 or 1:45-ish, around there. So it roughly took me half an hour, 40 minutes to get all of my brushes clean. They should be dry by the end of today. I can't wait to do some more makeup looks with clean brushes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys are staying safe. I will see you in my next video. Bye!